Now I wish I would have gone door to door and woken everybody up.
I know. I do too.
Look at that. See that?
Oh,
come on, buddy. Get in. Oh, no, no, no. You can't go that way. That is not going to help you. Oh, no.
Okay, that's just
That's incredibly stupid, yeah. Well, he got on higher ground there. That was kind of iffy. That was pretty iffy.
Oh, the Spanish guy got his car going. Okay.
Oh, no.
This is crazy.
Yep. I don't know, baby. There's nothing good back that way, though. It only gets deeper. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. He's about to get so much water in his car. Oh, what are we doing? We might be able to get around there. I hope so. It may not be. Oh no. Oh God. That's so unfortunate. I don't think any of them really have a good spot to go into right now. Uh-oh.
What is that?
It got up in their electric.
Oh shit. You get electrocuted?
I don't know enough about it to say.
I'm staying far away from the water.
Yeah, I would think that it would dissipate unless you were like right up on it, but I don't know. Don't really want to test it.
God, I'm so glad you got me up to my car.
Yeah, I felt bad waking you up, but
no.
I see why though. Oh,
look at it.
scum coming in. Wow. Oh no. Don't stop now. What's that?
The dumpster is floating.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh, don't hit that car. Come on.
Oh,
come on. Like they don't have enough to deal with being parked there. I wonder what that is floating out there in the creek. You see that?
Yeah.
What is that?
I can't believe a dumpster floats. That's crazy.
I didn't know it either.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is a scary. Oh, it's scary because who knows when the road's just gonna wash out or something.
What's this gonna do?
I think he's gonna go try to help somebody.
Oh my god.
He needs to be careful. Them rapids get pretty bad when it floods like this.
Is that car moving?
Is it floating?
Is it moving?
Is it?
It
It's about the height that water would need to be to move it. Oh my God, it is. I think I did too. It looked like it moved like towards us a little bit.
Holy shit.
Yeah, if it's up that high, it will. I didn't even think about that.
Look at it up against the stairs over there. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Are you going towards it? I don't understand why they're going that way. Is it higher ground that way? It is moving.
It's moving, yeah. Well, if you can float it. Look at the dumpster. Look at the dumpster.
Holy
oh my God.
Shit. Holy shit. Dude.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Bye, dumpster.
That car's gonna hit it.
Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God. It almost hit it. Holy shit. Oh my God, I'm like shaking. This is horrifying.
This is insane. This is worse than last time.
Oh my God.
And there goes the dumpster.
There's the other dumpster.
We used to have a dumpster. There goes the other dumpster.
Oh my God. It is gonna slam into that car.
Oh no.
No. Look at that dude walking. It's past his knees.
I know. This is worse than last time already. I mean, how much longer is it going to rain, I wonder?
I mean, is insurance going to cover a dumpster floated into my car?
You know how many freaking clauses they have that they don't cover? How many acts of God? I'm pretty sure dumpster crashing into your car is one of them clauses.
Oh my God.
I'm just an absolute all right now.
Oh, it just hit that car. Oh my God. When the water goes down, how are they going to move the dumpster?
Look at that car over there. It's almost underwater.
Oh my God.